Hi, it's me. Here are some tips I learned along the way. I've noticed that sometimes the cut on the front tends to get a little bit raised and yucky looking when you're cutting intricate lines. So I've learned to mirror my cut so that the back of the paper, which is actually the front of the design, comes out nice and clean. And also, if you have a piece that stuck like this, when you pull it out and you accidentally rip the paper, you won't see the rip. Another tip that I've learned is that when you have these intricate designs as well, only glue it where you need to glue it. You do not need to glue every single one of those lines because the larger pieces will help hold the design down. So if you noticed here, I'm not even gluing down those individual lines. I'm gluing along the edges and those designs will stay put on the paper. Another favorite tip of mine is to use a needle while I am threading my banner. You could string ribbon through it or a piece of thread like I'm doing here, and then it makes getting the ribbon or thread through those holes so much easier, and it's such a time saver. If you're not doing this, you should start doing this now because it will save you so much time. This little clip right here is me threading the P in real time, and notice how it's not taking me any time at all. And then before you know it, you will be done with your banner and you will have something really pretty to hang. Hope you enjoyed these tips. Take care and have a great day.